Welcome to our in-depth review of FlipBooklets, the innovative platform that transforms your static PDFs into dynamic, interactive flipbooks with just a few clicks. In today's fast-paced professional world, sharing PDFs with clients, customers, or colleagues is a necessity. But the traditional method often leaves your important documents caught in spam filters and lost in a digital maze. How can you truly ensure your message gets through and is even engaged with? That's where FlipBooklets steps in. Imagine having the ability to convert any PDF into an engaging flipbook in seconds. With FlipBooklets, you no longer need to worry about whether your shared files are making impact. This service not only turns your PDFs into interactive digital experiences, but also takes the guesswork out of tracking viewer engagement. Gone are the days of wondering if your document has been seen or if it's simply lost in the clutter of a recipient's inbox. FlipBooklets offers a solution to some of the most common challenges in digital document sharing. First, let's talk about the conversion process. It's quick, simple, and user-friendly. By simply filling out a form, uploading your PDF, and clicking Create, you instantly witness your document transform into a beautiful, interactive flipbook. This means you can now say goodbye to tedious creation processes and welcome a streamlined, efficient way to showcase your content. But the benefits don't stop there. One major pain point for businesses is the risk of having PDFs trapped in spam folders. FlipBooklets cleverly navigates this issue by ensuring that your interactive flipbooks are delivered without the baggage of attachments that trigger spam filters. This innovative approach guarantees that your digital brochures, marketing materials, or reports reach your intended audience, capturing their attention immediately. Another standout feature of FlipBooklets is its comprehensive analytics. When your flipbook is opened, the platform records key data, from the number of views to the devices used for viewing, and even the time and frequency of page turns. For businesses and professionals, this means you can now monitor and assess the effectiveness of your content in real time. This level of insight is crucial for tailoring future communications and understanding what resonates with your audience. Security and flexibility are also top priorities with FlipBooklets. The platform allows you to store all your PDFs in one centralized, easy-to-use location. Need updates? No problem, as you can edit any flipbook time after time to ensure your information is always current. Furthermore, if your document contains sensitive information, FlipBooklets offers a range of privacy settings. You can mark your flipbooks as private to keep them hidden from unwanted search engine exposure, or even add password protection, giving you peace of mind about your data's confidentiality. The way FlipBooklets blends functionality with ease of use is brought home by its versatile embedding options. Whether you want to embed your flipbook on your website for prospective clients or share it directly via a unique URL, FlipBooklets adapts to your business needs. The platform also includes dynamic features such as autoplay, which is perfect for conferences or events where showcasing your PDF in action can capture a live audience's attention. With interactive elements like Zoom, live text search, bookmarking, and even a complete page list, viewers enjoy a seamless, engaging experience. At its core, FlipBooklets is designed with every industry in mind, ensuring that every professional, from marketing teams to sales, can display their PDFs in a professional and engaging format. The platform not only enhances the way you present your documents, but also provides lifetime access with a risk-free 60-day money-back guarantee. This guarantee ensures that if you're not completely satisfied with the transformation of your PDFs, you can try it out worry-free. Now that you understand how FlipBooklets can revolutionize PDF sharing and engagement, it's time to take action. Whether you're looking to elevate your content marketing strategy, secure your documents, or simply wish to amaze your clients with a more interactive presentation, FlipBooklets is here to support your digital communication needs. Get lifetime access to FlipBooklets today and experience the future of PDF sharing. Transform your static documents into captivating interactive experiences that not only capture attention, but also deliver measurable results. Your audience is waiting. Make every page count.